Good afternoon. My name is Tqameron from Tqameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing interest in the beautiful 2019-2020 Hyundai Santa Fe's. I know you spoke with John Petway, one of our sales managers, recently. I just wanted to follow up my voicemail with a quick video of me highlighting this gorgeous vehicle. So here in the front, beautiful honeycomb grille, smart cruise control, LED wraparound headlights, LED daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection, push to start, keyless entry. This one has the gorgeous beige and black cloth interior throughout the whole vehicle. 7-inch touchscreen display that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, drive mode select, and a ton of safety features such as lane keep assist and lane departure warning. But the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. We're here at Tqameron. We double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. So you don't want to miss this unbelievable warranty. My name again is Tqameron. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. Give me a call back. We'd love to have you come on in and test drive these beautiful vehicles. Plenty of color options and trim options to choose from here at Tqameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.